Hello, this is Stewart with Aerating-Thatching Company. And this is a lawn that I have just aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put on some lime, and I put on a little bit of soil amendment too, trying to bounce this lawn back. This is a 1-year-old sodded lawn that's having issues and having real drainage problems. I used an organic fertilizer on here. We're close to the pond. You gotta be real careful what you're using here. And hopefully I'll make it back in about a month's time and take a look at it if I have a chance. This is a little bit out of the way for me, this particular project was. But I'm glad to be here today, and I'm glad to be been able to help out the family. And but it's just very, very sparse, this lawn is. And your higher quality sods are netless sod. And this is a sod, there's a sod plug right there. And you can see that this sod was just grown on a clay-based soil. And a netless sod's a lot higher quality sod without the plastic netting in the bottom of it. And your netless sods will have a little bit of Kentucky blue in there, and that will die off from disease over the winter. But you overseed in fall time before that happens. And I just want to show you some of the work that I'm doing here. This is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching Company. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.